Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or BitMEX. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make things clear. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better, I will tell you which application fits you better, because both applications are great. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, and I will share you today in a quick summary what experience I had with both applications. So let's start right now with a main focus, and Kraken has the main focus to do on crypto investing and trading, and they focus a lot on protecting their users on Kraken, so the security is very good. If we look to BitMEX, they are more focused on high leverage derivatives trading. So if you like or prefer that more, then I recommend you to check out BitMEX. If we look to best for, with that I mean Kraken is the best for long-term holders and BitMEX is the best for advanced futures traders. So if you want to trade more futures, I recommend you to use BitMEX. Then if you look to the trading tools, Kraken has strong trading tools, but BitMEX is very advanced and in my opinion extremely advanced. So when you are a beginner, I recommend you to choose Kraken, but if you are an advanced trader, I recommend you definitely to use BitMEX. Then if you look to the interface, Kraken is professional and BitMEX is trader focused. And if you look right here to the fees and trading costs, Kraken has good fees and BitMEX has lower derivatives trading fees. So with that knowing, you can choose from here which one you want to use. And if I tell you Kraken is more for buying and holding crypto and BitMEX is more for high leverage futures trading. So hopefully after seeing this video, you can choose right now which application you want to use. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.